Damn it. Ah. Let's try that again. There you go. What's up, man? Oh, you want to throw one out too? You want to get the last one?
Uh-huh.
Careful. Good job. Welcome to Nicely Done. Yo, during the holiday season, there's a bunch of stuff that got to get done around my house. In addition to all the tasks that I already have, I'm tasked with taking up my son's carpet and replacing it with laminate flooring. So in this video, I'm gonna show you all the easy steps that allows you to prep your space so that you can have a successful install. Thank you for being here for this video. Enjoy these beats. Let's get it. Hey, man.
Hey, man.
All right, so listen.
Hey, listen.
We gotta take this carpet pad up, right? Right? Because you lit this room up, didn't you? And so, what we gotta do is, again, so you gotta take the carpet pad up, and then, I don't know what these are called, but they hold the carpet down. It's like a tack strip, I guess. Tack strip, that's what I'll call it. So we gotta get this up. Look at it, says extra wide carpet gripper. So we're gonna actually get that up, and then that'll be it in terms of actually prepping this place. And I guess you want to call it what would we call it? Demolition? Demo. Say demo. You want to say demo? No. All right, so yeah, we moved some of the furniture that was in here out. The bed is probably going to stay, okay, because I don't want to take it all down. So I'll do half the room and I'll do the other half. And then when the flooring is secure, I'll have it secure with some weights of such. And then it shouldn't move or shift anything. And obviously I'll explain that as we go along. This will be my second time doing flooring in our house. Again, we don't want this carpet anymore because carpet, for the most part, it is not really good for the allergies. So we collect a lot of dust and things like that. And so, yes, stay tuned. Augie, say stay tuned. Okay, whatever. As you could probably see, this is a very dusty situation. So I will likely be putting on a mask pretty soon. I will actually be putting a mask on pretty soon because I don't want to be having respiratory issues later. As you probably saw in the previous clip, I got up all the carpet pad. This thing needs to get disposed of, so we'll work on that pretty soon, okay? And then next is the tack strips that held the carpet down initially. I'm gonna knock that out. So what I'm doing right now is I'm surveying my work area. In red, you see the tack strips. Also, you see the little blotchy areas. That's the carpet padding, okay? So those are held down by staples next to the tack strips. You wanna make sure you get all of that up. You wanna make sure you know where all the staples are because you don't want that underneath your flooring. Kind of like mess your job up, you know what I'm saying? Be a little suspect. So anyway, I'm about to go into what tools we need. The tools that you need a little pry bar like this. You need some pliers, of course. Here's your pry bar, here's your pliers. And then here's your freaking mallet. Rubber mallet is best because you don't want a bunch of noise popping off all over the place. And you want to basically going to use that to knock everything out. So stay tuned. Yeah, he started upside down, but you see he got it right. Yeah, it's my little man, Chief. He's knocking it out. And so again, you use the little pry bar to get right underneath the nails. And then after you got one nail knocked out, you can literally just keep moving your way down the strip, as you can see here. And so with that said, this becomes an easy and very manageable job. Anybody can do it. It's my belief that exposing my son to skills like this early on is going to do nothing but benefit him. He's doing a great job. You want to hop on the bed, huh? Watch your feet coming down. Dang, man. See, brother's doing all the work. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This ain't a trampoline. You're going to jack your spine up. Yeah, so all the tack strips are up. What we're doing now is we're going to take the staples out of the ground, out of OBX. Yep. And so we got to get all that removed before we can even put the underlayment down for the flooring. So that's what we're working on right now. Chief is helping me out. And I'll show y'all what that looks like in a second. All right, so like I said before, we're moving and taking all these staples out. Now, at our previous thing that we were doing was taking out the tack strips. Since we were doing that, sometimes nails get caught in the tack strips and they're left in the OBX. You can see one here, right here, and you have to be careful of that. And so, taking a survey of the floor after you're done, a couple times will be worth the while here. So, here's an area right here. We're going to take that out. And so from that, you can see the nail here, actually the staple and the little fuzzy that comes along with it. We're going to get rid of that. And then we're just going to continue taking these out all along the way. Now, one thing you could do is you could take each staple out and put it in a trash can. Another thing that you can do is you can take the, you can just leave them all here and then use a shop vac. I think that's what we're going to do for speed. I'm just going to use a shop vac, so I'll be bringing that up pretty soon. Oh boy, some of them staples coming out of OBX. Yeah, this is real tedious stuff here. You just really want to make sure that you're getting every staple out. Even if you get some carpet padding, you want to make sure that there's a staple in it and that it's out of the subfloor. Otherwise, you can have this stuff under your underlayment later, under your planks of flooring, and it could be a pretty bad fit. So you want to make sure that you get all that, get all the carpet pad up, and then eventually you're gonna basically get that vacuum out, and you're gonna knock all this stuff out of here. You want to make sure it's nice and clean, thoroughly clean, so that you can move on to the next phase. Y'all, I want y'all to look at this crap. All right, so my son, right, he's 3. He's up in here. He do crazy things, right? So he's in here, and he's putting crap all the way down the windowsill. I can't even open the windowsill all the way up. What I was about to do is I throw all those tack strips out the window so that they land in the grass over here. But homie got the thing all jacked up, so I can't get the screen out. So I'm gonna have to work on that real quick. Life and times of being a father. Actually, I figured out how I'm gonna show you all the madness. I'm gonna take this out like that. Take this out like that. Look at this crap. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This boy done put Legos. He got a whole heap of Legos down there. Look at all these Legos, man. He done put all these Legos down there. Anyway, put this down for a minute. This kid, man. This kid's wild, man. I got G.I. Joe leg in here. Look at that. Got all these Legos in here. These kids are wild. Okay, so now that you see me tossing stuff out the window, that means that this one is a wrap. The carpet is up, the carpet padding is up, tack strips are out, and the staples have been removed, and we clean up the area. So please stick around for our next video where we actually go about putting the flooring down. And if you can, please subscribe, like, and ring that bell.